Welcome to today's tutorial. If you've been wondering how to see all your follow requests on Instagram using your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest update, Instagram has made it easier than ever to manage your follow requests. Let's dive into the steps. First, open Instagram on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you haven't updated your app recently, it's a good idea to check for any updates to ensure you have the latest features. Once you're logged in, look for the notifications icon on the left side menu. This icon typically looks like a heart or bell, depending on your version of Instagram. Click on it to access your notifications. After clicking the notifications icon, you'll see various notifications related to likes, comments, and follows. Here, you need to find and click on Follow Requests. This section will display all the users who have sent you follow requests. Now that you're in the Follow Requests section, you can easily see a list of all the pending requests. This feature allows you to review who wants to follow you and decide whether to accept or ignore each request. If you find that you don't see any follow requests, make sure that your Instagram is updated and that there are indeed requests pending. Sometimes, it might take a moment for new requests to appear if they were just sent. This new update not only simplifies the process but also helps you manage your followers more effectively. You can now keep track of who is interested in following you without having to scroll through endless notifications. In summary, by opening Instagram on your PC, clicking on the notifications icon, selecting follow requests, and reviewing the list, you can easily manage your follow requests. Thank you for joining me today. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on navigating social media.